Rancheros millennials. Today is my fourth video. Do not forget to subscribe. Today we're gonna make Huevos Rancheros. Huevos Rancheros are from many different countries, especially South or Central America. So Huevos Rancheros is not just from one particular country, it's just different cultures make it different way. Today we're gonna do it very simple for the millennials. So today we had the avocado. We had 2 eggs. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs if you like. You can eat it with the bread, tortillas, french fries, whatever. This is the red sauce that goes in the top of the eggs after they're cooked. And this is guacamole sauce. If you don't have guacamole, you can use just guacamole sauce. And then we have right here fruits at the end of the dish. And you can put a little bit of cheese if you like. I love cheese. So we have olive oil to cook the eggs, and we're gonna start now. Starting by cooking the eggs, and I'm gonna show you how to cook the best soft eggs. I already have the stove on. This is a gas stove. If you have a gas stove, it's extremely important to whenever you turn your gas on, to put the ceiling, not the ceiling fan, I'm sorry, the microwave. I'm looking at the ceiling while I'm taping, so this light is kind of distracted. So make sure you have the fan on, so you don't want to breathe that gas. So this is about 1 tablespoon for each egg, or either just 1. Once again, I'm gonna put it in medium. There's 1, and here's the second one. When you get experience, you can put 4 or 5 in there, but right now 1 or 2 for you guys is good. I'm gonna put it like in between medium and high, but because I'm making this video, so it can be faster. But for you guys in your apartment, in your home or anything, put it like in low, between low and medium, okay? So that way it will cook slow, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because see all this popping? If you put it in high, it's gonna splash oil all over, and you know, it's just safe if you cook it like in between low and medium. So it's already cooking, and I'm gonna put it, just go back on medium. So what I do is, you flip the frying pan a little bit. Well, we're gonna wait a little bit longer. Not this one in here, you grab, and then you flip it. So grab this spatula, put it under, and flip it a little bit quick. There you go. So that way you will have the perfect eggs. If you like it crispy outside, that's fine. I like mine to be cooked but not uncooked. So that's the perfect egg right there, and I'm just gonna turn the stove off. Make sure always, especially with gas stove, that you that you turn all your stove off. So I'm gonna grab the dish, put my eggs in here. It only take like maybe like, I will say total 2 minutes or maybe 1.5 minutes to cook your eggs. So right here we got the bread. If you prefer with bread, you can put bread, tortillas. See, they're a little bit hard. They come in a package. So you want to use paper towel to put it in the microwave. And the reason that you want to use paper towel is whenever you put it in the microwave for like, I will say 30 seconds, 15 seconds each one, or 20 seconds each one, they'll come back really soft. Okay, so that's really good. So you can use that. Then you put your salsa in the microwave also. Like this much is about maybe 4 tablespoons. You can use more and put it in the microwave. So you can put as much salsa that you like. I like this much. You can use the same spoon to use the red sauce. Now remember, you can use the green sauce, and also you can use the avocado in your dish. And I cook my avocado this way, but place your avocado down. And I'm going to use a spoon instead of any knife like I usually do, just to get, see, to get the avocado out. And then you put a little bit of cheese. Like I said, if you prefer with tortilla, french fries, whatever you have in there, it's excellent. And I have blueberries, blackberries. They look blue to me, but anyway, you can use it with strawberries, bananas at the end, or anything. So you can have some fruits with your dish. You don't have to put it in the same plate, they just look pretty. So here we go. This is your Huevos Rancheros. Add some pepper, will be great. You know, I like to put some parsley in there, or cilantro, that's too. But I know the younger generation don't like so much stuff like that. They just want it to be simple. So here's the dish. Please enjoy it. It's delicious. Don't forget to subscribe.